Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 365 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1957 Thunderbird. What were some of the highlights on our engine build? We have the 302 Ford roller lifter cam in there, double roller timing chain, new timing cover, new balancer, AFR aluminum heads, correct oil pan, rear sump oil pan for the 57 Thunderbird. Customer want the chrome oil pan. We got the oil stick and tube on there. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to see a video of your engine running in the stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot, the Holley sniper fuel injection system's on there. We dial it in, all the menu settings will all be set, plug and play, ready to go. Set the ignition timing. You can see everything is complete. Wraptor pulley kit on there, ready to go. Again, this is our 302 Ford 365 horsepower turnkey engine for the 57 Thunderbird. Thanks for watching.